Remove 4 screws, followed by the end cap. Remove the O-ring. Remove 4 screws, then remove faceplate. Remove piston, rod and rod bushing assembly together out the front of cylinder body. Remove the screw, then slide piston from the rod. Remove piston seal. Remove bushing assembly from the piston end of the rod. Note: some cylinders may have 2 pieces. Removing from the front of the rod can damage the rod seal. Be sure to reassemble from the same end to avoid damaging the rod seal. Remove rod wiper. Remove O-ring. Remove rod seal. Important installation tips. Flared end of this seal must be toward piston. It can leak if installed in reverse direction. Do not use sharp object to install this seal. Sharp object can cause damage. Reassemble in opposite order.